Hello students, how are you today? Welcome back to experiment class with me, Miss Asti. I'm happy to meet you again in this session. Hopefully you are in a good condition. In this occasion, I'm gonna guide you to do an experiment about chemical reactions. Do you agree that science lesson is an awesome knowledge? You must be. Science experiment will never bore you at all. You will learn a lot of things and you'll realize that science is so close to you. The title of this experiment is It's Blue Itself. The purpose is to find out that some chemical reactions release gases. In the last meeting, I have explained you about chemical reactions and physical reactions. The physical reactions, that is reactions that can be changed back into the first condition. But for the chemical reactions, that is kind of reactions that will form a new thing and it can be changed back into the first condition. There are many different types of chemical reactions. Today, we're gonna explore chemical reactions that can release gases. And these are the materials and tools you need to prepare. And these are the procedure. Good luck guys, maybe you will need some help from the elder. And remember about the smelly vinegar, so you better do it outside. And one more thing, the reactions between vinegar and the baking soda will contain a pressure. So be careful and keep your distance.